Vacuum sealer bags are essential for anyone looking to extend the shelf life of their food, keep it fresh, and prevent freezer burn. With so many options available, finding the best ones can be challenging. In this guide, we'll introduce the top 5 vacuum sealer bags on the market, highlighting their key features, durability, and versatility. Number 5. Syntus Vacuum Sealer Bags, 6-pack 3 rolls 11 inches by 20 feet and 3 rolls 8 inch by 20 foot commercial-grade BPA-free bag rolls, FoodVac bags for storage, meal prep, or sous vide. About this item: puncture prevention, 120 feet total rolls with single-side embossed dotted increased suction, prevent bones from piercing. High tenacity material providing with an air-isolated environment and keeping food fresh for longer. Free cut size with no wasting. 3 roll 8 inches by 20 feet and 3 roll 11 inches by 20 feet, total 120 foot. 2 different width sizes and roll packing design, allows you to custom-sized length according to food package needs. Prevent waste space, BPA-free material with assured, perfect for food storage. Suitable for microwave oven, 20 degrees Celsius 100 degrees Celsius, cabinet, fridge or freezer storage, in addition to boiling, sous vide cooking, and more. Works with all types of vacuum sealers. This vacuum sealer rolls are designed for matching with all vacuum sealer machines. Simple operation, convenient to use. Wide range of application, archived nutrition and fresh to extend the shelf life, storage for vegetables, seafood, ribs, beans and pills. These food sealer vacuum bags work well for a variety of purposes. Reduce food waste and manage them reasonably. Number 4. Wevac Vacuum Sealer Bags 100 quart 8 by 12 inch for FoodSaver, seal a meal, Weston. Commercial grade, BPA free, heavy duty, great for vac storage, meal prep or sous vide. About this item: heavy duty and puncture prevention. 8 by 12 pre-cut quart bags with embossed channels increase suction, keep fresh without freezer burn or dehydration. Increase storage time for nutrition and flavor, 3 to 6 times longer food shelf life, lock freshness, flavor, and nutrition inside. Works with all vacuum sealers. Work with all suction vac heat sealer, such as FoodSaver, Seal a Meal, Nesco, Weston, Cabela's, Ziploc, etc. BPA free, perfect for food storage, freeze-dried meal, sous vide, gardening, tea leaves, documents and electronics. Quality guarantee from Wevac. We stand behind our products and implement no questions return policy with no hassle. Number 3. FoodSaver Pre-Cut Vacuum Sealer Bags for airtight food storage and sous vide cooking, BPA-free, 1 quart, 44 count. About this item: BPA-free material, safe for storing raw and cooked foods, also freezer, refrigerator, microwave, and boil safe, long-lasting freshness. Multi-layer design creates an airtight barrier, extending freshness and locking in flavors. Pre-cut for convenience, easily portion food from bulk shopping or when storing leftovers. Compatible with FoodSaver vacuum sealing systems, features a sealing strip that heats to a precise temperature. Versatile use, perfect for the freezer, fridge, pantry, or sous vide cooking. Enough room for portioning. Each pre-cut bag measures 8 by 10 inches, count and size. Box contains 44 quart-size bags. Number 2. FoodSaver Custom Length Vacuum Sealer Bags Multipack, 5 count rolls for airtight food storage and sous vide, compatible with FoodSaver, 8, 2-pack, and 11, 3-pack. About this item: plastic, made in the USA, made in USA, proudly manufactured in the United States, long-lasting freshness, preserves food freshness for weeks, not days, custom fit. Cut the roll to your desired length for a bespoke storage solution. Compatibility, ideal for use with FoodSaver vacuum sealing systems, safe and versatile, BPA-free material safe for storing raw, cooked foods, and safe for freezer, refrigerator, microwave, and dishwasher. Prevents food damage, thwarts freezer burn and spoilage up to 5x longer than other storage methods. Package content includes two 8 by 20 inches heat seal rolls and three 11 by 16 inches heat seal rolls. Number 1. Wevac Vacuum Sealer Bags 8 by 50 rolls 2-pack for FoodSaver. Seal a meal, Weston. Commercial grade, BPA free, heavy duty, great for vac storage, meal prep or sous vide. About this item: heavy duty and puncture prevention. 2-pack of 8-inch by 50 feet rolls with embossed channels to increase suction, keep fresh without freezer burn or dehydration, increase storage time for nutrition and flavor, 3 to 6 times longer food shelf life, lock freshness, flavor, and nutrition inside. Works with all vacuum sealers. Work with all suction vac heat sealer, such as FoodSaver, Seal a Meal, Nesco, Weston, Cabela's, Ziploc, etc. BPA free, perfect for food storage, freeze-dried meal, sous vide, gardening, tea leaves, documents and electronics. Quality guarantee from Wevac. We stand behind our products and implement no questions return policy with no hassle.